Hello, good morning. Today is Wednesday. I'm walking, do some walking exercise. This is a single life in America, so I have to do whatever it takes to make me healthy, as what my medical management team has been advising me. You have to walk, unless if you don't work, you got some health problems. So I'm here walking in the safe road in our nearby home, and this is the the place where you can walk safely. So this I started, so it will be done in 30 minutes. So I will continue my exercise walking when I will be in the Philippines next week. So see you then. Now I'm going back to my home, walking in this trail where usually we go biking, hiking, walking, running on this place. So I'm here right now, walking on the trail, go back to my house. For my walking in the morning, the weather is good, and it is 71 Fahrenheit in the morning at 8:35 in the morning. So this is what I have to do every morning, twice or thrice a week before I will leave for Philippines. So I will continue my walking in the Philippines when I arrive. Thank you so much. See you later then. Hello, good morning, Kasenyor. I'm after my walking. I arrive at home, and this is what the routine that I had every morning, every other day. I water the plants. And see, I water the plants, all my plants. This is the plants of my wife, because he loves plants. So this is what I have to do. Morning, afternoon, every other day, to maintain the plants, healthy plants, and also with lawn or the grass is very green. So this is the plants that I cherish most, because this is the plants that my wife had planted, because she likes the plants. So every other morning, afternoon, I have to plant it. I have to water it, so it will not die. It will not because of the heat of the sun here. So this is what you see in front of the house. So I'm watering the plants. So this is what I have do. This is my life, a single life here in America. So after walking or in the afternoon, by almost sunset, I do also watering these plants, this Osarilla plants that grows beautiful. So you can see it, okay? So I'll continue my blog. Hello, good morning again, Kasenyor. I have just finished watering the plants, and I entered my house to have my breakfast. Chocolate, hot chocolate. It's a dark chocolate, came from the Philippines, and I have to do with it with pandesal, hot pandesal. So I will have to take my breakfast, then I have to cook this ampalaya, This is Opo in Tagalog, and this is Tambaliong in in Bisaya. So I have to mix it with ground beef. So this is for our lunch today. So I'm on because I have my thing to breakfast. Then I will have to prepare this menu for lunch. So I have to take this opportunity to show that this is my daily life, single life in America. So this is the one. You are the best, and this is the best chocolate, hot chocolate that I have to take as a breakfast after watering the plants in front and at the back. So this is what I have did in the morning. So to take care of the plants, water plants, and sometimes cook for our meals. So you are the best. So this is the pandesal. I have to warm it with the air fryer for 2 minutes so it will be crispy, and dip it with the hot chocolate. So that's for my breakfast. Come on, let's do it. Here now, Kasenyor, I just warm it 2 minutes in the air fryer, and it's ready for my breakfast. Dip it with the hot chocolate. So that's pretty good, dark chocolate. So this is it. So this one is the pandesal that I told you. That show you that I have to dip it on the hot chocolate, to wash it and eat it. That's the way. Bolanos. Eating pandesal, dip it now. So chocolate, wash it, then eat it. That's good. So I've done eating with my pandesal with the hot chocolate, and I have just to finish this one, and I have to get a rest for 30 minutes before I go to shower. So after shower, I have to prepare the ingredients, and the menu is for the Opo in Tagalog. It is Tambaliong in Bisaya. So I think it's in America. It's white squash. So I will continue blogging with this real life in America. I will compare it once I will be in the Philippines next week, so it can compare what will be the easy life. It's in the Philippines or it's in America. So this is real life to me.